Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Passing you.
Oh, his light's flickering.
Huh?
You've got a flickery light.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just seen it flickering.
Yeah, nice.
Ah. Wouldn't you know it? Ricky's got a flickery light now.
Yeah. Oh, it's windy.
Yeah.
Feel that?
Yeah.
Keeps on pushing the bike to the left. That's not good.
It's alright. We can deal with it.
Yeah, just take it easy.
Icy! No, up here in the winter.
Ah.
This is all snow. There's a snow ski resort just north of where we were, in Wrightwood.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, never past Newcomb's Ranch. I always end right there.
It's a nice ride.
You feel that wind?
Yeah, I f***ing felt that one. I didn't like that one very much.
Yeah. It's crazy.
It was like the hand of God pushed me.
Yeah, it's too much. Pushing the bike to the right, left. We're gonna make a right somewhere?
You'll see. Maybe it won't be quite so windy down in the valley bit. Hello!
Yeah, the sun is not forgiving. I'm like, come on, can't see.
Are you wearing sunglasses? Oh, fucking hell. I like these sweepers, man. Ah! The bridge to nowhere.
How do you call a baby who was born on a bridge?
I don't know.
Bridget.
Okay. Cars. Yeah, because they all kind of look the same, you know.
Which is 80, yeah, man. You multiply it by 2. What's it?
Lots of fast cars coming.
Huh?
Lots of fast cars coming.
Oh. This is it?
This is the Crest, yeah, we're back. Oh shit.
Someone crashed?
Oh man. Yeah, fucking hell.
That's the chopper.
One is a Ducati. The one in the dirt is a Ducati. And then the one over here